In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your W-2 or other documents in TurboTax. Before we begin, a quick note. Depending on your TurboTax layout, the download option might be tucked inside a small three-dot menu next to each file. If you don't see a big download button right away, that's likely where it's hiding. With that in mind, let's walk through it clearly so you know exactly where to click. Start by going to the Documents section in the top menu. You'll find this along the main navigation bar across the page. Clicking Documents opens your document library, which is where TurboTax stores the forms and files tied to your return. Next, make sure the year is set to 2025. This is important because the document list is filtered by tax year. If you're seeing a different set of files than expected, look for a year selector or drop-down near the top and switch it to 2025. Selecting the correct year ensures you're looking at the right forms for this filing season. Now, locate the file you want to download. Common examples include your W-2, but you might also see other forms and attachments associated with your return. Scroll through the list until you find the exact document name that matches what you need. Once you've found your file, look to the right side of that row for the three-dot icon. It typically appears as three vertical or horizontal dots, sometimes labeled as More or Actions. Click that icon to reveal the available options for that specific file. From the menu that appears, click Download. This tells TurboTax to prepare the file and send it to your device. You might briefly see a spinner or a small confirmation, depending on your browser. Your file will then download to your device. By default, most browsers save downloads to a folder named Downloads, unless you've set a custom location. If your browser asks where to save the file, choose the folder you prefer and confirm. Keep an eye on your browser's download indicator so you can open the file once it finishes. If you plan to keep it for your records, consider renaming it with the tax year and document type so it's easy to find later. And that's it. Navigate to Documents. Set the year to 2025, find your file, open the three-dot menu, choose Download, and the document will be saved to your device. This quick approach works across most TurboTax layouts, especially when the download option isn't immediately visible on the page.